Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by preparing your device and account so the process is smooth. First, make sure your iPhone or Apple device is updated and signed into iCloud. This enables secure syncing. Next, open Wallet and tap the plus sign to add a card. Do this now so you can follow through immediately. Enter card details by camera or manual input, and then continue to verification. This step links the card to Apple Pay and starts the bank's checks. Once you've added the card data, you must verify with your bank to activate payments. Choose the verification method offered, text code, email link, or authenticate through your bank's app, because different banks use different steps to confirm you own the card. After you enter the code or approve the request, Apple Pay will show the card as ready. If it still shows pending, make sure billing address matches your bank record and retry verification. Most approvals complete within minutes. To finish, choose a default card in Wallet and enable features like Express Transit if you use public transport. This simplifies tap to pay. Then test Apple Pay at a contactless terminal or make a small in-app purchase. Watch for the green check and receipt to confirm success. If a transaction fails, restart your device and try removing then re-adding the card. If problems persist, call your bank to resolve provisioning blocks, because most issues stem from bank-side verification or card restrictions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.